Uninstall HP software from your Mac computer using HP Easy Start. On your Mac, go to 123.hp.com/setup. Select Download to save HP Easy Start to your Mac. With the software downloaded, open HP Easy Start. From the menu, select File, and then select Uninstall HP Software. Read any warnings and then select Continue. When prompted, type your administrator username and password. HP Uninstaller removes all HP printer software previously installed and any other devices in the print queue. If you are reinstalling the HP printer software, select Set up New Device and then follow the instructions to install the printer with HP Easy Start.